Welcome to No Fear Cooking. I'm Magda, and I wanted to say thank you for taking time to watch a new episode with No Fear Cooking. And the recipe is going to be crispy tuna balls, and it's going to be a recipe that you'll do over and over. You'll like it. It's summer here. It's going to be easy to put them in the air fryer or oven. We're going to do it both ways. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and the recipe is ready. We are going through our ingredients, and of course the start of these ingredients is tuna in a can. It's in olive oil, and we're going to drain it. I'll show you exactly how we have to do it. So 2 cans of tuna, drain well, and that will go in our bowl. So that is good. That's done. We are going to have 2 eggs, and we are going to crack them immediately, put them in the bowl, and just whisk them well. I like them to be whisked before we put all the other ingredients in it. That is good. Now we are going to put right on top of the eggs 2 tablespoons of dry mustard. Of course, mustard is just good flavor of mustard. So that goes in, 2 tablespoons of mustard goes in. Ready for the next step, which will be 1 tablespoon of the Tabasco sauce. So Tabasco is going to be a little bit kick to the spicy, to give a little bit spice. Not much, but just enough. So we'll go with the Tabasco next. Right now, I'm going to go to half a cup of mayonnaise right on top of the eggs and the mustard. Whisk it a little bit together. 2 more tablespoons of parsley. I'm using my gadget, my scissor for the parsley, and it's already washed. So parsley, 2 tablespoons of parsley. It's great taste to our crispy balls of the tuna. And 1 more ingredient. So they're not that many, and everybody has in the house. It's either shallot. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, not much. The green onions or just the regular onions, or whatever you have in your house. Please use 2 tablespoons, and it's going to give a great fresh taste to your spicy, to your crispy tuna balls. So we have that. We have all the ingredients I'm looking over, and that's what we need for the first step. We have everything. Let's mix it well and incorporate everything together. It's pretty nice and moist. So now that we have everything ready in the bowl, it's all mixed nice, incorporated. The second start for this dish is going to be the corn flakes. And we are going to use 3 cups, and we'll crush them. Just very easy with a rolling pin. We're going to crush them. And I'm using a old bag from when I use other cereal. It's very good to use that. So rolling pin, let's do the corn flakes. And for the second step, we need also a cup of butter. We melt it in the oven for 1 minute. Be sure you cover your butter before you start to melt it, because if not, you'll have a mess in the oven, in the microwave. You don't want to clean that. We are going to take each of the tuna ball in the hand. On the right hand, we're going to roll it quick in a butter that is melted, and then going to the second bowl with the corn flakes that was crushed, and put them on your special pan to go in the oven. And I will tell you that it's going to go pretty fast. 5 minutes, you are done with the mix, making the balls nice round, dip in the butter, and then dip in the cornflakes. So just the way I'm showing you, that's how we're going to do it. Step 3 is going to be the easiest one, of course. We are going to have them nice on a tray that goes in the oven, 450 for the oven, preheated. And then we are going to do 1 batch in the air fryer, 375, preheated for about 5 minutes or 3, and then goes in the air fryer for about 8 to 9 minutes. So we're going to compare today, and I can tell you both are wonderful. Both ways are very good. If you have an air fryer, I prefer that. doesn't make heat in the room, and I just love the air fryer, how everything stays there. No mess, no heat, perfect. So let's taste them and show it to you how they are. As you saw, coming from the air fryer, they're very nice and crispy. Only 9 minutes we have them on. You can leave them 12, but it's perfect. Crispy tuna balls, absolutely. And these are from the oven. I'm going to put 2 different plates, so I'll remember which one is which. I know they're both delicious. And you know, I will serve them with a little bit of this is my favorite tomato sauce. It's like a gravy. It's all fresh made. And if you have a different sauce, a different flavor for this summer, please do your own sauce. Get creative, but it's delicious. And also very no fear. And summer being hot, you don't want to be too much in the kitchen with appetizer. That takes too long. This is absolutely delicious. And it's 1, 2, 3 and ready in about half an hour, the whole meal. So have your sauce ready or a different sauce. Manja manja till next time. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sending us a note. Anything we'll appreciate it. And pofte buna. See you in 2 weeks.